Hello, thanks for checking out Mr. Ware's videos, and today we're looking at continuing a lesson on function notation. What we're going to do is plug in some values, make a table, and plot them out on a graph. So let's begin. So we start off with f of x is equal to negative x plus 6. We're going to plug in all our x values, find out what our y f of x values are going to be, and use those to make the table or make the graph here. So first I'm going to start in plugging in 0. And remember, you could type in this part here into the graph. This part here you could type into the graph. I'm sorry, into the calculator. So you plug in 0, negative 0 plus 6, you get 6. And you just keep going. Plug in 2. You get 4. Plug in 4. You get 2. Plug in 6. You get 0. And plug in 8. You get negative 2. So now we have all our f of x values right here. And now that we have that, we could plot the points over here. Okay, so now we're going to plot those. So each section over here, right here, is going to be what we use to plot. So we'll start with the first one, which is 0 and 6. Okay, so with 0, 6, the f of x is the same as the y. So you're just going to go 0 on the x-axis and go up 6 on the y or f of x axis. Okay, and then we go on to the next one. Okay, so we go, it's 2, 4. So I go over 2 and go up 4. Alright, now we go to the next one. I go over 4 and up 2, because that's 4, 2. And then I go over 6 and then up and down 0. And then I go over 8 and go down 2. Okay, and now I got a dots on here, and we're just going to make a line and put arrows on the end. And that's it. That's how you graph. So let's take a look at another example. Okay, here you got negative 4x as our function here. I'm going to plug in negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, and negative 1. So when I plug in negative 5, I get 20. When I plug in negative 4, I get 16. When I plug in negative 3, I get 12. And when I plug in negative 2, I get 8. And when I plug in negative 1, I get 4. So now what we're going to do is plot. Okay, and again, this is going to be the f of x is like y here. So I'm going to go negative 5. So I'm going to go negative 5 and then up 20 for that first point. Matter of fact, put the point first and then show it. Negative 5 up 20. Then I'm going to go negative 4 up 16. Then I'm going to go negative 3 up 12. Then I'm going to go negative 2 up 8. And then I'm going to go negative 1 up 4. Okay, so now I have all my points plotted, and now I can draw my line. And that's it. That is using function notation to plot points on a graph. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.